Don't throw away the empty paper towel roll. Put a garbage bag in it, and you won't regret it. When you finish a roll of paper towels, you usually throw away the empty cardboard tube. But not after seeing this. Such a roll has a practical use. Today I'll show you a trick. Place the empty roll on the counter. Take scissors or a utility knife and cut a narrow longitudinal slit in it. Not too large, roughly like the one in the video. Now, check your trash can. When it's full, you take out the bag. Then, usually like me, you search for trash bags to put another one in the bin. But you can put trash bags inside the paper towel roll. The whole roll of bags will fit. Just pull the end of one bag through the slit in the cardboard roll. Now, place this roll at the bottom of the trash can. When you take out a full garbage bag, simply pull out another bag from the roll. Tear it off and place it in the trash can. You don't need to remove the roll with the bags. Its place should be at the bottom of the trash can. This way, you'll never search for new trash bags again.